you for tuning in to another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be basically giving you a little review on these nails. I've got a cat climbing the post behind me. I'm going to be doing a little review on these nails. I don't know if you remember, but I did do an unboxing video on them, which I am going to put a link to in the description below. Now, these nails have been on for about 10 days now, and look at them. They are still as beautiful as they were. We have lost no gems whatsoever. We've even still got the rose. Now, let me talk to you about that rose. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. However, it's a pain in the bottom. It catches on everything. You know, your dress, your pajamas, your hair, your blankets, everything. It catches on everything, and it is so annoying. And these nails are basically on the advert. They are advertised as wedding nails. No, there is no way on earth you will be able to wear these for a wedding, especially your own. You know, you go out and you spend all that money on a dress. You then get these, and then you end up plucking it. You catch it. You might even rip it, because honestly, they don't half get caught on everything. And because they've been caught so many times, some of the leaves have come off, and it's then made it really sharp. So it's even more inconvenient than it was before. And it's got to the point where I can't wait to get the damn things off. And I've never felt like that before. And it's that rose. It is that rose. There's even a bit of fluff stuck to them now, you know. Like I said, they're absolutely stunning. They are absolutely beautiful. But that rose is just not... It's just not wearable. Like I said, it catches on everything because it's so raised up. I mean, I've had, you know, flowers like this before, and they've never ever done this. And I wonder whether it's just because it's one rose on its own, and it's not like a few, you know, placed in. But it's an absolute nightmare. Other than that, if it weren't for that blooming rose, they'd be perfect, absolutely perfect. They haven't lost the shape. They haven't lost any of the paint. You know, they're beautiful. They've not lost any gems, no nothing. It's just that blooming rose. If they didn't have the rose, they'd be great. Absolutely great. It's the rose, that's the problem. However, take the rose off and you'd lose that bit of beautifulness. Do you know what I mean? Swings and roundabouts, guys. Swings and roundabouts. You know, it depends on how long you're going to wear them for, you know. Such a shame. Such a shame. So like I said, if that didn't catch on everything, maybe it's because it's too high. Maybe if it was smaller. I don't know. But like I said, they are stunning and they are so well made. It's just that rose. Pain in the bum. But yeah. I do recommend them, even after I'm whinging and my moaning. I do recommend them. And I do think, you know, that you should go and you should buy them. But just be careful of that rose. Just be careful. I'm hoping to get some new nails on very, very soon. I have a delivery coming, but it's not come yet. Typical. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to take these off, and I'm going to let my nails have a little breather for a day or two while I'm waiting for the new nails to come. But I'll think about it. I don't like not having nails. I feel like a boy because I've got quite fat fingers, so when I don't have nails on, I'm like, don't like it. But we'll see how we get on. But thank you very much for watching, and like I said, I am going to put the video link in the description below so you can watch that, and I'm going to put my Instagram in there as well so you can see some photos. And yeah, if you've got any comments, anything that you want to ask me or anything like that, put in the comments below. Please do give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.